Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to open and edit a Google Docs file. Okay, so there is the file right now. Here is the file. A letter. Actually, this is the template. So just going to use this as a letter. This is the file, document, the letter, and you want to edit this particular document. Just come here to edit. Right here you can decide to change the layout. That's it. Close down formatting. So right here you can easily edit, change this, and set the proxy, the font. You can start to change the font, the size, then the alignment. So you can change the spacing, then spacing the paragraph. Like this is not really well arranged. Let's just go and do this now. So change the font. This is basically how to edit files. Then change the font. So this is times new mapping. Can just change the line spacing, make it 1.5. See, then after that. It's okay for this time. Then here, you can just choose to centralize this. Clicking down, then centralize this by just clicking on the alignment. So this is to align to the center. See, it looks good. So just place it around here, choose the normal proper alignment, and that's it. So another thing I want to use, checklist. We don't need that. We need the numbering. So after that, then once you place this particular word, I notice that it keep occurring that you want to change. Just enter the text in here. Go to edit, then find and replace. Find a particular word from here, from the file or the document you want to edit. The particular word that you want to change, and the one maybe this appears about like many different places. You have about like 20 pages you're working on, and this particular word you want to change and not to keep coming often and often. Just find the word from then right here you can easily replace it wherever you want it to be. Then click on next. It's quite simple to edit documents. It's not really like you using Microsoft Word. And also that's it. Kindly helpful. Thank you.